Let me show you how we can apply different Boolean operations between two different shapes. This way we can combine them into new shapes. So what you need are at least two vector shapes, then select them both, and then head to the path menu at the very top. As you can see, there are several different operations we can try. The first one on the list is union. This will turn both shapes into one. So we add those two shapes to create a brand new bigger shape. Let's undo and try the second one. So I again select both, path, and then next one is difference, also called subtract. If you click on that, the top shape, the shape above, will be used to subtract the piece of the shape below. So we kind of create a hole in this shape. What's next? There is intersection option, and as you may guess, only the intersecting part will be left and everything around is gone now. Next thing is an opposite to that operation, exclusion. So now the intersecting part is gone and everything else is still here. There's also division that will cut all of those pieces of the composition. Take a look. When I click this first, seems like kind of the top shape disappear, but actually this part can be moved out. So that's definitely an interesting action. Path, combine. It may look like a union at the first glance, but if I head to path again and now select break apart, I can kind of go back to having two shapes. So this way is a non-destructive way. There's also option to split paths and fracture them. If you select fracture, at first seems like nothing really happened, but take a look. Now everything works as a separate shape. And the last one is flatten. And at first seems like nothing happened, but when you move the top shape, you will see that shape below was cut. Alright, so here are all of your Boolean operations. The most popular one are definitely the one at the very top here, union, to add shapes together, difference or subtract to cut the hole in the shape below, and very often use intersections. Keep in mind, nowadays with the shape builder tool, we got alternative options. So if you select both shapes together, you can also grab the shape builder tool from the tool panel, change the mode to add or subtract, and then you can use that. It was definitely subtract. Let's use the plus mode with adding, and then we can unite this into one shape as well using shape builder. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.